and welcome back to the channel, guys. If you are new here, my name is Shayantani and you are watching first part of spring DIY and cleaning video today. Today I'm going to show you how I got this gorgeous look without any construction tools. So further wasting any more time, let's start. So the things we need for this project are wallpaper, chalk paint, a foam brush, a small scissor, and last but not least, two different kinds of self-adhesive mirror tiles. You can use just one size too, it's up to you. This is before, where the frame looked really basic and pretty tired, I would say. First, I removed the mirror very carefully and took off the hooks from the wall. I have to admit, guys, I didn't think it would be that easy. It was really easy to do. Now I just wiped the wall with a microfiber cloth and then measured the wallpaper before cutting it in size. The only thing I can advise from my experience is to have patience, because one little mistake can ruin all your effort. Also, you don't want to readjust it several times, because that way the adhesive will become weak and it wouldn't last for long. Carefully paste the wallpaper. There should not have any air bubble at all. Ideally, you should use a credit card or something like that to get the air bubbles out. I just used my fingernails and that actually really hurts, guys. So my wallpaper has a normal width and it's not wide enough to cover the whole area, and it also has pattern, and this is really important to match the patterns to get a professional look. Check as many times you want, but this step is the most important step and you gotta be careful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place the hooks back. To hang the mirror, you have to rely on your touch, because at this point there is no way you will see the exact hole. So feel it and then place the hooks back. This mirror has very little flat surface, only on the inner and outer edges. So I'm going to cover those flat areas with these mirror tiles. I'm going to go ahead and measure the width of the flat surface and cut the tile accordingly. I'm going to use the smaller size here. Now I'm going to just fast forward the process and go to the next step. Again, you don't have to buy two different kind of tiles, just one size is enough. If it fits, that's it. I'm also going to use a small scissor for this project because there is a high chance that things can go wrong. I bought the bigger one from Amazon and the smaller one from AliExpress. These are real glasses, so be extra careful. Wear a rubber glass if you need to. The mirror is already looking very nice now, but I'm not a big fan of this kind of contrast. So I'm going to go ahead and change the dark color into something calm and nice. All the mirror cabinets in our house look exactly the same, old boring thing. So that's the before look, and that's after I use the same mirror tiles at the edge, and it looks marvelous. It actually inspired me to do the same with the other cabinets. So to get rid of this dark color, I used a very pretty chalk paint, and the name of the color is celery. And you have to try this color, guys. It's really natural. Chalk paints are really forgiving, guys. You don't have to be a professional painter to do that. My kids were going crazy out there, so I was just doing it as quickly as possible. And I can tell you guys, if I can do this, you can do better than me, because it merges really well. You can't even see the brush stroke and all that. I just needed few more coats because that actually covers all the area. Now you can compare. The dark color was really bold, so this one is very good for a small bathroom like this. Well, the painting is done and it looks amazing. I'm so glad to see the way it came out. You guys can also follow me in Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest. I gave the link below and I would love to know about your opinion. The mirror part is done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and decorate the candle I already had in that corner. The holder is really nice, so I didn't want to color it or anything. I just used my bigger mirror tiles on it and it looks amazing. The candle is incomplete if it does not have a candle holder. So this candle holder I made by myself. The tray is from I don't know, I bought it from Australia, I don't remember the price, and the base is from Dollar Tree. I just spray painted it in peach and the top part was black, so I just colored that in chalk paint. As I told you, chalk paint is really forgiving and it will cover the whole surface. I will just let it dry and I will decorate it with the bigger mirror I have. So this is the final look of the candle stand and candle holder, and yes, I cut myself, so there is a band-aid in my thumb. Who cares guys, the bathroom looks amazing and suddenly it looks like a different place. So all I need is to decorate the corner as nicely as possible. This fake bamboo tree, these are also from Australia. I think I paid around 15 bucks for it and I love it. It's been so long and it still looks the same. And the candle stand would be just beside it. And this hand wash liquid bottle is from TJ Maxx and I'm in love with it because the design is so authentic and it goes so well with my new decor. I'm gonna keep some room freshener in a metal shell I had. That is also from TJ Maxx, and the room freshener is from Dollar Tree and it works really well. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you really liked this tutorial. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like and share button below. And if this is your first time watching any of my videos, then please hit that subscribe button before your way out so that you won't miss any of my videos. And also click that bell icon to stay ahead and watch my videos as soon as they are up on YouTube. And guys, if you want to follow me in social media, I gave the link below. I am coming every week with my new videos, so see you in next time. Till then, stay well. Bye.